La la la. Red! Huh? I've been thinking. Stewie? I thought you died. In the war? Nope. But I am friends now with Bombed and what? Hey guys, what's going on? And I'm also friends with Goombario. Yeah, fool, let's do this, man. Boom ba ka boom ba boom ba boom ba ka boom ba ka boom ba boom ba boom ba ka ba ka 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 ka. What's that thing attached to your leg? Oh, it's just a bomb, just in case if somebody hates me that much, they could blow me up with this bomb attached to my leg. So that's a... Why would you attach a... You're so stupid. I actually was gonna kind of enjoy having you hang out, but unfortunately you want to shoot yourself. It must be done. What the? Bowser! Bowser, get out of here. Guess what? I'm back. Dun, 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 I am back. Now, Koopas, Goombas, go the opposite way and kidnap as many items as you can. Yes, master. Will do. Ha! Now, who wants to die tonight? Woo! Bang, bang, bang. I don't really want to, sir. I'm not really a bad Goomba. I'm going to just head bonk. Oh gosh, that hurts. Spiky shield. Get out of my way, Chespin. Ow! What? I'm just practicing my sacrifice lines before you get shot in the brains, Red. What do you mean shot in the beep, beep, beep.